YouTube. No.
Why don't you do the intro, babe?
Okay. Welcome back to Funny. It's a
Honeybee Farmstead. See, I'm not good at it. Welcome back to Honeybee Farmstead. Today we are fencing. One fence at the back.
Let's just go and say what we're doing,
okay?
and then we'll do an introduction.
We are fencing, and we're going to be fencing the back fence so we can push the new Dexters we got around to Pioneer Paddock.
They don't know about the Dexters yet, so we're going to have to insert some video of us offloading Alex's Christmas present. Hey, babe.
Hey, darling. What's going on?
Where have you been all day?
Driving.
Driving?
Yeah.
You have to drive and get your own Christmas present.
Oh, yes.
That's a bit terrible, isn't it?
No.
Do you love it?
Yeah, they're cool. Yeah.
Okay, let's show
Let's go
everyone.
release the beasts.
Let's show everyone what they are. And you'll notice the trailer name is Thistledoon. They were kind enough to loan us this to collect. Hello, darling. Some Dexter cows and their Dexter babies. And we'll go over quickly and release them. These guys see a trailer and they know it means new fence. If you just pull up there, honey.
Yeah, what, man? I'm going to show you.
Or that means, or Jetson thinks he's going to go see some girls.
Yeah, he loves to go see some girls too.
Some hefty heifers in there.
Let's get. Yeah, just stay there near the door. When he smells girls, he gets a bit funny. Typical bull. She's facing away from you, so do it now. While she's facing away. Yep, now. Drop it. Big trip. Oh, lady. Which one's the bull?
That one. The light one.
Okay.
They're chasing one of the cows. Mum, he's chasing one.
Now all of my heifers are pregnant. That's the only reason I'd be putting that little guy in here, because he's going to develop into a fully fledged bull. The darker one is a steer, has got a ring on him, ready to be made into meat. They're just gonna get to know each other. So this has been Alex's dream, to get some meat girls in the herd. I like that. Now, a Dexter is a dual purpose animal, so it's a meat milk producing animal. So here we go. The two with horns are at it, Alex. Alex, look, this is why we dishorn. Yeah, he stops it. He hates it. He's the protector.
See that one there, Mum, with the big tip?
We probably have to get back to the gate. They'll figure out their pecking order, who's the boss, etc., etc. And then they'll just chill and be happy. It is hot. I'm surprised they're running around in the heat. There you go. When they settle in, we'll just come around them gently when we've fed them a roll of hay and introduce you to them. They've all got names. They're friendly with a bucket apparently, so we'll see. Don't tear up my topsoil, you bumhead. So I'll do the intro because clearly Alex can't.
Hey, I did. You good intro.
He did a good intro.
I can become
Hi everyone, welcome back to Honeybee Farmstead.
Would you guys watch it if I become a YouTuber? I reckon. Magnet fishing.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We didn't do that in any of our videos. We didn't really focus on Christmas this year because
Nice fun Christmas.
yeah, we just had a small family Christmas with
Family.
my sister and her
Dearly-
kids.
dearly loved family.
One of my sisters and her kids. But yeah, so we're straight into it for the start of 2025 with some fencing. Ages ago, at least 8 months ago now.
Right there.
Actually, probably more. It was probably more like 12 months.
Oh, look at the Crocs. That's my favourite one. I will not comply. Look at that one.
Can you take that to the tractor?
Yeah, Mum raised me right.
Anyway, so we are going to finally fence that area because the Dexter cattle that I purchased for Alex, he went down to, where did he go? Way down, past Arthur River. He went way down south to pick up 3 Dexter cows and 2 calves. One of those calves is a steer and one is a bull because we're just going to keep his mum out and his mum will get mated by Jetson. Everyone else will get mated by him because on Australia Day, we are going to go up to Regan's Ford to a friend's place and do some marroning because it will be marron season. But also we're going to take a couple of steers up there and swap her for some Dexter heifers so that we can add to our herd. So lots of good things happening. The reason we picked Dexters is because they're dual purpose. Alex likes the meat breeds, so we compromise with one that I can also use for milk. So if we put our Jetson over the Dexters, then we will get Jersey Dexter, and we've done that before. If you've been here with us for very long, you'll know that Sophie was a Jersey Dexter, and she was a beautiful little heifer. She should be having her baby any time now, probably February, I'd say. So yeah, Sophie was a Jersey Dexter, so I really like that breed. They're a lot smaller and more manageable. And yeah, meat-wise, they're well covered for meat. So we're just diversifying a bit and trying to give people what they want. What else have we got going on? We've got so much going on. We've checked all our bees yesterday and did some hive maintenance, which is essential because in the space of time since we've done the last hive, we've lost 2 hives to wax moth. So we're now fully decontaminating everything. We've got to freeze all the boxes. We've got to do all the things to make them safe. And with others that we checked, not even a tiny sign of it. So it means the hive is nice and strong. We have also, our little buck is going great. He's had the first of the 2 checks he has to have after coming here, and he cleared that all well. That's him complaining now because he's separated from the girls because I knew he was going to go in, because when he realised that the girls were feeding their little kids, he decided he was going to start feeding again, even though he was weaned when he came here. We've had that a little bit happen with our cows. But yeah, so he's separated at the moment and not liking it very much. What else? Oh, we've got our sign ready to go up. So our honeybee sign is almost ready to be hung. We just need to concrete in the pole. So we'll be doing all that. That one. What do you want to do, babe?
We're going to use this one?
That roll? That's fine. I think that'll be enough.
I reckon use this anyway. Use this up and use this for the goats.
Yeah, we'll use that for the goats. That was the plan. So we have a goat pen about to be made. So Alex and Noah concreted in all the posts, and now really all it is a case of putting up the wire, hanging the gates, that sort of thing. So yeah, we hope you enjoy this video and come along with us. She thinks you're her baby too. off the bikes because Jackson hurt his foot and needs the quad bike to rest his foot on. Fencing wire on the front and carryall on the back. Thanks to Juanita from AgKing in Monterey. He's got our post jammer, and of course Mina's coming along with us, our trusty little sidekick. And you'll see that our new cows are still not in the herd. They're still not decided that they're going to become a part of the herd. Way over there in the bush, and they don't want to be a part of the Jersey herd. They'll get there. So our new friends that we're going up to see in Regensford, they have Dexters, as I mentioned, and so we're swapping Hamburger, the guy with the horns, and up the front with the horns, Basil, because all they do is eat their animals anyway. So may as well take the heifers out and utilise them, and they're just going to send them to butchering anyway. Check these guys out. So what he's doing now is he's just going to connect up the barbed wire, and then I will drive all the way to the end and we'll connect the barb at the other end so that we have our string line for our straight line to put our posts. Bash those in, roll out the wire that's on the front, straighten that up, and then tie everything to the posts. Piece of cake!
Also, we get a mesh with the here, love.
Yeah, I was just going to put a gate in there.
Oh, yeah?
Swinging gate. And then if anyone ever accidentally gets out, we've got a way of getting them in.
Or if there's a fire.
Yep.
Go back, get the kids, they can cut this, and then I always put a bar.
Put out the pickets.
Oh, we'll cut this bit of wood first. We'll go up here.
Alright. No idea. Oh, they're coming to get milk. Oh, that is sexy.
That's not the bottom one, but yeah. Gangster.
Nah, go down more. It's too high.
No,
it's
where the
perfect.
fence is going though. Because that the other one comes up to here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, hold on.
It's not straight. Pull it your way.
What?
Pull it Noah's way. Yep.
What?
Wait.
What's wrong?
Good.
No, the
Petrol, yeah.
Gracie, keep protecting that ear.
I'll tap you on the leg and then at that first one here.
Where is it? Where is it?
So I got one.
Good? That was...
You will?
Yeah, no, it's dive right in. That one a little bit. Go a bit high.
That's alright, you can just go in and bash it down a little bit. Yeah, it's just going to lay of the land as well.
And we've only been doing this for 30 minutes and we're nearly done. How good. Going first. literally only been doing this for 30 minutes and the fence is nearly done. Having that post rammer, automatic post rammer,
Yeah.
and this tractor with everything on it is
So-
game changing.
Or we would be here for like at least 3 hours if
Oh,
we
way
get the old
more.
out.
And then there'd be tantrums, but everyone's having a good time.
Yeah.
I just got to teach Mina to stay away from the tractor. She's a bit of a
She's
silly
good,
woman.
she's good.
Yeah, I've got to honk every now and again. She gets a bit close and makes me nervous.
Are you gonna reverse?
When he tells me.
Mr. Honeybee? Then just turn it around.
So check out this guy. He's set up his tractor with all the mod cons. He's got cold water. He's going to tie it on,
Yeah.
and then we're going to reverse backwards all the way.
Let's be in here.
Then he's going to tie it off, and then we're going to walk along and twitch it to the posts, and we're done. How good.
What are you boys doing? Just tying up.
Alright, watch it, honey. Yeah, can I tell this? Come on. Go down. Go back just a little bit. Go back just a little bit. Yep. Right, keep it articulated. Yep, back. Yep, hold back. Right out the way, honey. Right out the way. Yeah, you're on good. Hold lead it. Right, down. Down. Yep. Left hand down. Left hand down.
When we go back.
Yep. All right, go back. Go back. You've got to straighten up. What's the bend? You're on. You're on. Yep, forward. Forward now. Yep, guys. Yep, forward. Yep. Back a bit more. Yep. Back a bit more.
No!
Down a bit. Whoa.
Thanks for watching. Lovely.
Back a bit more. Yep.
Dexter! No one walk with your brother. Stand the fence up on the foot.
Is it pretty tight?
Mom.
No, that's fine. That's pretty tight. Oh, yep. Yeah. Little coil of wire in the back.
Thanks, honey.
What is there like a something like a star figure I can put in and hold it up against there? Is that Noah?
Right in my face.
I just wouldn't worry just yet.
Yeah, that's how we're going to do it.
Yeah.
We're just checking, lay it down on the ground. Just lay it on the ground.
Right there.
Fuck, it only took an hour to really do this. It's only 11
Really
o'clock.
not long.
It's coming together nicely. Yeah, we're good. Okay, do you want me to do that bit now because I've got shoes on?
Yeah, well, you got to stab it in a bit.
Yeah.
Bash it, bash it. Get a little stab on it. Get a good little stab on it.
Yeah.
That's it. Beautiful. That's perfect. Sorry guys, it normally be better than this.
No, that's good.
How's that?
All right, so to put these on, we just get wire cuts like that. All right, the trick is to put it in like that. You got little twitcher that you can purchase. We call it a twitcher, I don't know what it's called though, its technical name. And then you're going to hold it up. You use this hand to hold your wire into your V and your little piece of wire nice and straight. you put this bad boy on and then you start twisting around. I like to leave, if there's any little bits on the end, leave them facing either down or outside of our fence so that nobody gets an eye injury or anything like that. They shouldn't be pressing up against barb anyway, but sometimes animals are silly. And you do both sides. There we go. Check that out. Nice and neat.
Oh, Dexter doesn't have his helmet on.
So this is what we wanted. The new guys mingling with our existing herd so that they all hang together and become good friends, because when we move them, those guys, the Dexters, are not friendly. They are psychos. But mine are super friendly, so all I have to do when it's time is call them and these guys will follow, and we plan to go out this is the laneway now, completely finished, and we'll be able to go down the laneway straight across the creek and into Pioneer, where we're going to start feeding out. We figured we'll give this paddock a rest. Hi Teddy Burger. We'll give this paddock a rest and we'll oh, who's that? That's the little bull. So that's the one we kept as a bull. This one here. We have to name your bull, babe.
Sorry, Mum.
I think his name should be Dexter. Hey, handsome boy. Hey, handsome boy. Not caramel, that's not boys. That's not manly enough. There you go. So that's the little bully. As he grows up, we'll have a Jersey bull and a Dexter bull. And purebred Dexter cows. There we go. Anyway, that's not what this is about. Check out this fence that Team Hughes put up in 2 hours. And Team AgKing. Because
Croc sponsor us.
Croc sponsor us. The original Australian work boot. Not really. Double pluggers are.
Sponsor us.
But check this out. We now have a fence, a dog on the wrong side of it, all the way down to the tractor.
Good stuff, guys.
So that's it. And now we've done that, and we've got everything needed that we needed done here. I mean, we can move the jerseys without needing a fence. We were always meant to put this in, but we wanted to make sure that when we move the jerseys and Dexters, the Dexters don't just decide, I'm going. Because this guy here doesn't have any of his property fenced. So if they got out here, they'd get out on another road, the next road over, and they would take off. So we would lose some of our Dexters. They are pretty feral, so we've been waiting for them to become friends, but we are going to move them. That'll be a separate video. Yeah, they're going to get used to it.
Mum, are we moving them today?
No, not today. We'll probably feed them out. We'll feed them one more time in here. Hey? So we'll feed them out here one more time so they can eat together and share a meal together. It's the best way to become friends, right? And then we will move them over to Pioneer. Now we know that we won't lose any of our cows into our neighbour's property. Yeah, how was that? 2 hours of fencing. We hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for joining us. If you're new here, welcome. We are excited to have you. If you are one of our originals, thank you so much for all your support. We love it. And your comments. We adore the comments. We try and answer every single one. So yeah, make sure you keep commenting below. If you haven't already and you're enjoying my videos, please sign into your account and hit the subscribe button. Like it, share it with your friends, all those good things. And until the next video, we hope you guys are having a great 2025. Take care of each other and bye for now.